everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I made a long live video about this subject, but I wanted to make a really short and sweet, concise version as well. What is the character trait that is in the way of your hair care goals? What character trait are you lacking that's hindering you from achieving your hair growth goals? Consistency. They say how you do one thing is how you do everything, and I don't necessarily believe that, but I do believe that how you do one thing is how you do a lot of things. So if you are inconsistent with your hair growth journey, in what other areas of your life are you inconsistent as well? Because it's not just that, I promise you. It is really important that we build this character trait within us as a person so that achieving our goals becomes easier. Because consistency is very often what's in the way of us achieving our goals, regardless of what the goal is. How can we become more consistent people? I've been really consistent on YouTube for almost 14 years. My 14th year lock anniversary is coming up. It's the 15th of May. I've been consistent with telling you my best hair care tips for locks, for natural hair, for hair growth. A lot of you have been watching me for a really long time, but you're still struggling on your hair care journey. Why is that? You have so many tools laid out on a platter in front of you. I have about 1,000 videos on YouTube. Why is it still a struggle for you? The answer may not be very obvious, but that's something that we can explore. You now can book one-to-one consultations with me. We can go over your hair care goals. We can take a look at your hair care history, your health history, your current lifestyle. Are you sedentary? Are you very active? How's your diet? What are some of your lifestyle habits that are coming into play with you being healthy externally as well as internally? On a physical level and on a mindset level. All of this comes into play and why we're not achieving our hair care goals. I'll come up with a custom plan that is personalized for your needs, for your preferences, and for your lifestyle. This is a real in-depth consultation, and after it, I'll provide you with a very thorough plan for you to follow. It also comes with complimentary follow-up sessions. So if you need guidance, or when you need guidance, you can schedule those with me as well. I'm here to help you be more consistent because consistency is in your way. And if you're watching this video right now, we do have a 40% off discount. Use code 40OFF and you'll get 40% off the consultation at KeishaCharmaine.com. So definitely click the link below. Also, today is the last day of the BOGO sale. Buy one, get one half off. Buy one, get one half off. You can get your hair growth oils, your hair moisturizers, your hair styling gel, your Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo, your Loc Cologne. What am I missing? There's 3 hair growth oils. So all 3 of those. That might be everything as far as the actual products go. But you can also get satin pillowcases, satin lined hats. You can't get the head wraps on that sale because the head wraps are already super marked down, all right? So there's no more cutting that down. But everything else, you can buy one, get one half off, all right? You can mix and match products. You can double up on products. It's up to you. You don't need a code. The sale is automatic. So head over to KeishaCharmaine.com while that sale is still live, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.